Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a customer messaging funnel with Intercom in 2026. First, log into your Intercom account. A messaging funnel is a series of automated messages that guide users from awareness to conversion. Start by going to Outbound, then click on Series. Click New Series and give it a name, like Onboarding Funnel or Trial Conversion. You'll enter the visual workflow builder. Now set your entry trigger. This is who enters the funnel. For example, choose User Signs Up or User Visits Pricing Page. You can add conditions like only users on a free trial. Next, add your first message. Click the plus icon and choose Send a Message. Select in-app or email. Write your message and use personalization like first name. Add a button with a link to the next step you want them to take. After the message, add a wait step. This pauses for a set time, like 1 day, before moving to the next message. Continue adding messages and waits to build your funnel. You can also add condition splits to send different messages based on user actions. For example, if a user clicks your button, send them a thank you message. If they don't, send a reminder. Once your funnel is built, toggle it to live. Intercom will automatically enroll users and guide them through your messaging journey. And that's it. Now you know how to build a customer messaging funnel with Intercom. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.